The winter storm is already affecting travel here in South Florida. More than 100 flights are being canceled and delayed, and it's only expected to get worse. CBS 4's Gary Nelson is live at Miami International Airport with more on the travel troubles. Gary?
Thousands of airline passengers have not flown into or out of Miami International Airport today or Fort Lauderdale, and they will not again tomorrow. Hundreds of flights canceled in South Florida due to that ill wind howling up the eastern seaboard. Lots of people not taking wing at MIA. On the departure and arrival board, scores of flights canceled all up and down the eastern seaboard. American, MIA's biggest carrier, has scrubbed 50 flights today and tomorrow from South Carolina to past New York. Maria Koppel will not get home to Charlotte.
So we're stranded here. First time in my life that something like this has happened.
Surprisingly, the airport was not jammed with stranded travelers. The airlines did a good job with texts and emails telling them not to come.
We have taken a proactive approach to let passengers know that their flight has been canceled ahead of time.
Lori Hamrick won't get out before Monday, but figures when life gives you snow, make snow cones.
It's all right. If you're going to be stranded, why not be stranded in Miami? Everybody at work is jealous. They think it's a great thing, but it's really not all that great. I'd rather be getting home.
Chrissy Anderson won't get back to Pennsylvania before Sunday.
That storm, we got canceled through the storm.
What are you going to do?
Stay an extra night until tomorrow.
Where?
I don't know yet. That's what we're trying to figure out.
She won't be staying at the Miami International Airport Hotel.
We are sold out. We don't have any rooms for tonight.
You are sold out.
Sold out for tonight, yes.
Sold out as air travel is disrupted nationwide by a storm some say could be the blizzard of the century. Now, American Airlines, for one, they don't have to, but they're offering passengers, if they like, a full refund if their flight was canceled due to the storm. Some looking to go to Charleston, for instance, might prefer to take that money, rent a car, and drive rather than wait till Monday or maybe Tuesday to fly back home. For now, we're live at MIA. Gary Nelson, CBS 4 News.
Gary, thank you. Look for much more on this wicked winter storm on the CBS Evening News with Scott Pelley at 6:30.